Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode we'll talk about expenses. Let's go to menu Financial and Cash Flow. If you've watched the tutorial about the cash flow, you know already this page. I'm here in the cash flow details. I can now add an expense by using this button. I can select a date. I can set up a code. For example, I'm buying new diving equipment. I can write additional info if I need that. I can select the cost center that pays. So for example, in my system, Dive Center 1 is associated to Cost Center Germany, and for which dive center this expense is supposed to be. So again, for Germany. And I spent 300 euros. I save the expense, and as you can see, it's down here. If you just want to view the expenses, you can go to tab Expenses and you will see exactly the same expense here. Thank you for watching.